we will not be able to maximize our learning if we are mentally absent. In other words, we're not focusing in the program. Now, I'd like to help you focus. But before we can tell you how to focus, let me first share with you what are the 3 things that will distract you from focusing. Okay, tatlong bagay. Number 1, your cell phone. Kailangan talaga emphasize. Alright? Kailangan emphasize. Your cell phones. Now, what about your cell phone? Siyempre, pag nag-text, nag-reading, siyempre, you tend to look at your cell phone. Our suggestion, okay lang yan. You might have special messages, special calls to attend to, no problem. But just keep it in silent mode. Okay, para at least pag nag-ring, ikaw lang ang nakakalam because it's just vibrating or you can see it blinking. Alright, now, if it's a call, we would like to request you to answer the call outside. Number 1, para hindi ka maistorbo. Diba? Siyempre, pag nag-uusap pero mag-eavesdrop yung mga katabi mo. O kaya naman, at the same time, ikaw, hindi ka rin maka-istorbo. Kasi katabi mo, hindi, diba? So, might as well, step outside, wala namang problema doon, answer it outside. Alright? So, yan ang ating rule on the cell phone. 1 reason why you get distracted. The second reason you get distracted. Okay? So, double check. Your phones, please. All in silent mode. O yung iba, may nag-vibrate. Kaso nga lang, pag nakapatong sa mesa, yung buong mesa, so, parang hindi rin naka-vibrate. Hindi rin naka-silent mode. So, please check your phones. And of course, another reason we get distracted is because of our mental and emotional baggages. Ano ba yung mental, emotional baggages? Mental, meron kang iniisip. You're thinking about something. Di ba? For example, naku, yung electric bill ko, ito na bayaran. Di ba? So that is something you're thinking about. Baka mapupulan kami, ganyan-ganyan. Di ba? So that's a mental baggage. Emotional baggage, you feel you're feeling not so good inside. No? Meron kayong bad feeling. For example, nag-away kayo, mister, sweetheart, di ba? So, siyempre, yung pag-ibig, parang yung heartbroken, di ba? Masama loob mo, you feel bad. Alright? Emotional baggage. Now, those things will distract you. Okay? Now, what do you do? As you enter the training room, leave all your mental and emotional baggages outside. Okay? I assure you, wala kukuha niyan. Andiyan lang yan. Okay? So when there's a break or when we're done with the sessions, you can always pick it up. Di ba? So, iwanan nyo lang muna dyan. Diyan nyo lang muna. Dito tayo sa ating maliit na mundo. So we can concentrate. Number 3 reason that you are distracted is because you feel sleepy. Diba? Normal yan. Kahit ako nasa upuan nyo, chances are, at this time, tulog na ako. Hindi pa diba? So, those are the reasons you feel sleepy. Diba? Now, how can we manage that? I'll give you a tip on how to overcome your sleepiness para makakoncentrate kayo. Okay? Alam niyo yung kwento ng Ibong Adarna? Alam niyo yung kwento nun? Sabi, magsusugat tayo. Parang mag-kalamansi. Diba? Well, syempre hindi naman eh. Masyadong makaintalunating. We will smash you. Diba? Lalas na siya. Okay. Of course, there are many techniques. No? And one way is simply to stand up. Diba? And walk. You can get coffee, you can go to the comfort room, di ba? Medyo malayo-layo yung comfort room at the end of the hall, di ba? So, tama-tama, you have space to jump up and down. So, tatalong-talong kayo dyan para magising kayo. That's number 1. Number 2 is you can actually simply raise your hand. Pag inaanto kayo, raise your hand. Kunyari, Larry, inaanto ka na. Raise your hands. You know why? Because I'll call you, yes, Larry! Diba, sa tawag pa lang sa'yo, magising ka na eh. Tapos nakatingin lahat ng participants sa'yo. You will definitely be awake. Diba? And number 3, you can do this, is simply stand up and just behind your chair or dito sa side or at the back, just don't lean on anything. Just stand with your 2 feet and continue listening. I will clearly understand that you are sleepy and you don't want to fall asleep. You want to concentrate. So, okay lang yan kahit nakatayo kayo sa sides or sa default. Walang problema. Di ba? Ang mahirap lang, tatayo kayo, and then dito, ay, hanggang kami. Mission. So, huwag ka dito tumayo. Diyan sa gilid, pwede ka tumayo. Okay lang. Alright? So, again, those are the ways that you can overcome those things that would distract you. Okay? So, tatlong bagay, cellphone, feeling sleepy, mental and emotional baggages, and we shared with you also how to deal with those.